Welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Gala Games continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a significant area of support at around the $0.026 mark. And as long as Gala Games continues to hold above that key area of support, there are high chances that in the next coming hours, we can get another pump getting us above the $0.03 mark. Gala Games has also continued to obey the ED12 structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my ED12 analysis, you can see that on the 19th of October, we saw these lows down here before we started these movement to the upper side, where you can see that we picked in the formation of that wave 1, and after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area. We fully maximized the area, then we saw this push to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then a wave 4, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is still the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side, and we are yet to fully maximize minimum target areas for that wave 5, which can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave, that is the fifth wave at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the $0.03201 mark. So there are high chances that as long as Gala Games continues to hold above support at around the $0.026 mark, we can get another push to the upper side, breaking above the $0.03 mark, and get one more high in the formation of this wave 5, and that will be completing a 5-wave structure to the upper side, and then that we can term that as a larger ED12 count 1, and then from that point we can expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger ED12 count 2, and once you have a low in place for that wave 2, we can expect a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. We also need to have in mind that the market sentiment now seems to be shifting, pointing to the lower side, where many traders are now expecting a bit of a pullback in the markets, and more so on the Bitcoin chart. And in case we continue seeing further weakness on the BTC chart and maybe further pullback to the areas at around the $35 mark, then that will be suggesting that there are high chances that Gala Games might also lose momentum to give us one more high in the formation of this wave 5, and maybe at some point we might lose support at around the $0.026 mark. And in case such a movement plays out, then that will be suggesting that we have picked in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high at around the $0.028 mark. And once that pullback starts to play out, then we can term that as a corrective move in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.02215 mark and the $0.01851 mark, the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area. So if by any chance we lose this key area of support and continue seeing further weakness, this is the pullback target area to watch out for, an area that we should continue to hold within once we see the pullback, and then expect a reversal within the area, giving us a bounce breaking above resistances and get impulsive in the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Gala Games chart on the short term, and those are the areas that I'm keeping my eyes on in the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.